Today, we're taking a classic English fry up to the oven. Sheet pan fish and chips. For this dish, grab a nice white fish like halibut or cod. We'll use panko for breading for the nice crispy texture. And then for the chips, we'll need 2 medium russets, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And for our sauce, yogurt, lemon juice, onion, pickles, dill, and capers. Get your oven set to 400 so we're ready to go after prepping our potatoes. Rinse your potatoes. I'm gonna leave my skin on. I like the extra taste and texture. For that classic fry shape, cut in half, then cut long ways. You'll get some nice variance in the size and shape. Then, let's dress them up. Grab a large bowl, a tablespoon of oil, salt, and pepper. Toss that all together. Then, grab your sheet pan and give it a quick spray with your nonstick. Next, potatoes on in a single layer. These go into the oven for about 20 minutes. Now onto the fish. Start with a sheet of foil. 12-inch is plenty. We're gonna fold our edges up for a little makeshift pan. Cut your halibut or cod fillet in half and then place on the foil. Use a little more oil to brush down the top and the sides of the fillets. Give a healthy dash of salt and pepper, and then grab your breadcrumbs. We're coating the top of the cod, and then push it down to keep the bits in place. Pull your potatoes out, then push them to one side to make room for our cod. Pop that whole thing back in for about 15 minutes. You're looking for an internal temp of 145 on the cod for that nice flaky texture. While that bakes, grab a small bowl for your dressing. We use yogurt for a creamy base, lemon juice for nice acidity next to the fat of the fish, onion for some bite, pickles for crunch, then finish with dill and capers. Mix it all together and serve alongside your cod. I love any meal that uses a single pan. Between the crunch of the panko, the complexity of the dressing, and the comforting side of chips, you can't ask for much more in 35 minutes.